Back in the kitchen again, guys. I hope everyone is feeling great and doing good, staying healthy. Right now, with all this coronavirus out here, it is crazy. So, guys, take care of yourselves. If you ain't gotta go nowhere, stay home. Just stay home, take care of your family, man. It's crazy out here, and the numbers is just rising and rising and rising. So today we got a banging video right now. We're gonna make some turmeric tea. Has a lot of great benefits to it, and one of the best benefits I believe is that it helps build your immune system. All right, helps it function a lot better, breathe a lot better. It has a lot of good stuff going for all the bad stuff that can be going on in your body. All right, so let's get right to this video. And if you guys haven't checked out my other video, which I did was a Jamaican home remedy with some rum and some honey and some lime, some garlic and ginger and all that good stuff. Really, really good, and it helps kick like common colds and little congestion going on in your system and all that good stuff. All right, so guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and leave your comments down below. We got to all do it together, meaning that's just me stay away from everybody else until all this calm down and then they can figure this out. So furthermore, let's jump right into this video. All right, this is a very, very, very simple recipe. We got some ground ginger here. We got some turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and some granulated garlic. And we also have some coconut milk, which I opened on the wrong side. Sorry about that. And then I have some cinnamon sticks and some raw honey to use as a little bit of sweetener. As you can see, I don't have much left, but that's pretty much it. So it's very simple. So what you want to do is get your fire on, get your pot that you're going to make stuff in, and get your coconut milk going. That's quick. That's nice and early. So, because remember, you can't drink raw coconut milk. In Jamaica, they say it would crawl out your belly. It will crawl out your stomach, make you don't feel good and all that stuff. So, this has to boil out. So, you want to turn your fire on real low. All right? We turn our fire down real low because we want this to slowly cook. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just add everything in. All right? Just like that. All right? Honey goes last because you're going to use that to sweeten it up. All right? So you're going to just go as much as you want to sweeten it up. So, don't overdo it. All right? So in the meantime, just go ahead and just stir. All right? That's it. Just stir it up, and then you're going to add a half, maybe about a cup of water. All right, so just go ahead and stir this up first. Beautiful. You can also add like some lime zest to it, like. All right. So go ahead and go with that. All right. I got a half cup of water. All right. That should be good. I didn't even, I used a half cup of water. That should be good. Just go ahead and just let this just slowly cook. Slowly. All right. You want that coconut and everything to kind of boil out. You want to turn your fire on really, really low. All right. And this is it. It's pretty much simple, man. Some turmeric tea. And I'm going to actually check the fridge and see what else I got in here that I can add. So here we go so far. It's only been a couple minutes, so this is going to taste really good. Because that cinnamon is perfect. Where is it? Let me try to get you out. Come on. There you go. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this get some flavor and get all these good stuff together. And then we'll be back in about 5 minutes. It's looking real good, guys. It's been about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon. I cut it up. I tried to cut it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add that right in there like that. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and let this boil out for another couple minutes. So guys, I jumped on Google to see if we can get some great information on the benefits of turmeric tea, and got some pretty good ones up here. Reduces arthritis symptoms, boosts immune function, helps reduce cardiovascular complications, helps prevent and treat cancer, helps manage bowel syndrome or IBS. I'm not sure what the IBS part is. Prevents and treats Alzheimer's. Protects against liver damage, gallstones, and manage liver conditions. Helps prevent and manage diabetes. That's a good one. My father's diabetic. Helps treat and manage lung conditions. So some real good stuff on here. And I showed you guys the recipe of how I make it, how I've been making it for the longest time. And you can always add your own little flavor to it. So, you know, as you can see, you can always jump on Google and just type it in and see what they got up here as far as some information. You know, Google can tell you a whole bunch of stuff. There's a lot of stuff up here, a lot of information, guys, and it's just find a good article and just get a good read out of it, and you know, go from there. But there, like I said, there's a lot of great benefits here. So we're gonna get back to the pot. It should be pretty much finished. It's been about 7 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the honey now. All right, let's go. Let's get over here to the pot. Ooh, this is looking good. Beautiful. So this has been very good. So I'm going to go ahead and add my honey now. That should be it. Just go ahead and mix that in. Nice. Everything should be nice and integrated right about now. So let's see if I can find me a spoon. Go ahead and taste this with my golden spoon. Woo! Dang, that's good. Ooh, that tastes so good. Ooh. No, I'm not gassing it. This is so blazing. You gotta just don't put too much turmeric. I put 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and I put a pinch of black pepper, just a pinch. That's to help with that little zinc part. And then honey, and then I actually did run out of raw honey, so I added a little bit of this type of honey right here. Only a pinch though, but it tastes really, really good. So I'm just actually gonna let this boil for maybe 1 minute, and then I'm gonna put it in a cup, and then that's pretty much it. All right. Beautiful, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, leave those likes, and comment down at the bottom so we can you know, figure this out together, and we'll grow as a channel and as a family. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, if you guys want to suggest any videos, go ahead and leave them down at the bottom. You know, so go ahead and drink this turmeric tea now. Listen, no, I'm not making this up because this is my video. It really tastes so good. It has a lot of flavor. And adding the lemon at about 3 to 4 minutes, you know, let that catch up, and then add just enough honey, just so how you like it. Just put enough honey to how you like it. I didn't add much, and it has a ton of flavor. It is really, really good. I just burned my mouth, so you might want to let it cool down a little bit. But really, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And you know, let's get this one to 50 likes, and let's see if we can get 2,000 views on this video. And again, take care of yourselves, guys. Stay away from other people. If you know, just stay away from other people. Just point blank. You ain't gotta go nowhere. You know, this coronavirus thing it's getting out of hand, and you know, just try to stay as healthy as possible. Again, check out my other video with the Jamaican home remedy. And you know, again, I just want to say thank you guys. All right, appreciate it. You guys have a good day.